story for building the road. How is the road built? First, the paint is made. Next, the dirt is moved. Then the grass is green. Next, the road is plowed. Then the road is flattened. Last, the road is paved. Now it is time for the ride. Where do you want to go? Story 5. We learn to swim. We are learning to swim. This is week. What are we going to learn? It is Monday. We learn to bowl purple. This is Tuesday. We learn to kick. It is Wednesday. We learn to pedal. It is Thursday. We learn to dunk. It is Friday. We learn to float. This is Saturday. We learn to shop. It is Sunday. Now we practice what we have learned. 7. Spring cleaning. It was spring. It was time to clean the house. Mom cleaned the kitchen. Dad cleaned the living room. Sasha cleaned the bedroom. Mom cleaned the bathroom. Dad cleaned the basement. Sasha cleaned the porch. Sasha left the front door open. Now they have to clean everything again.